Hey everyone, in today's video guys, I'll show you how to send money from Taptap Send to GCash guys. So if you're actually looking to, quickly transfer funds to the Philippines, Taptap Send makes it simple guys. Let's go through the steps. So first things first guys, you want to start by opening the Taptap Send app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and that you have funds available for transfer. Then, once you're in the app, you want to choose Philippines as the country you're sending money to. This is very important because GCash is only available in the Philippines and TapTap Send will adjust the options accordingly, okay? So you will not be able to use GCash unless you pick Philippines. Basically, it's that simple. Now, next, what you want to do, guys, is you want to enter the amount that you want to send to GCash account. Okay, tap send will usually show you the exchange rate, so you know exactly what will arrive in pesos. Okay, now next, what you want to do is you want to choose GCash. Okay, select GCash as the delivery method. Tap Send has several options, but to send money directly to GCash, you'll need to choose it specifically here. Okay, you need to choose it very specifically. And then for this part, guys, the next part, what you want to do is you'll need the GCash account number of the person you're sending money to. Okay, enter the person's recipient's mobile number linked to their GCash account and you want to just double check guys, double check to make sure all the details are correct. And finally, once you review all the information and hit confirm to complete the transfer, tap send will process the transaction and your recipient should receive the funds in their GCash account shortly. Usually this takes about 0 to 30 minutes, and that's it guys. Sending money from tap send to GCash is quick and convenient guys. So if you found this guide helpful guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this guys. Make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides